Welcome to the deep dive. I am so glad you are joining us today because we have a really fascinating stack of material to get through today.
We really do. It is a big one.
Yeah. If you are someone who has ever stared at a blinking cursor or a hopelessly complex video editing timeline at 2 in the morning,
Oh, we've all been there.
right, and you just wished you could instantly turn your thoughts into a fully polished video without crashing your software, you are definitely in the right place.
Absolutely.
So today we are unpacking a brand new article. It was published literally today, March 10th, 2026, by Julian Goldie.
Hot off the presses.
Exactly. And the topic we are exploring is called AI Video Factory. We're looking at what could very well be the absolute end of manual video production bottlenecks.
It is a massive claim, but the tech backs it up.
It does. Our mission for this deep dive is to break down exactly how this tool works, who it is actually built for, and, the hidden mechanics